My name is Tiyara Wauneka, and I am the Environmental Service Supervisor here at Sage Memorial Hospital. So I did that on-site visit, and we got to see the robots in action, and they used them in their surgical unit. And I was like, this is just a great product. I was blown away by the disinfection efficiency that was provided by it, and how simple it was to operate the UV robots, because it's pretty much a step-by-step protocol that you follow on the screen, and it was easy. And that's what I liked about the OhmniLabs UV robot. And so it struck my attention, and I was like, okay, well, let's look into this. And lo and behold, we have 3 robots that we currently use in our facility.